the first start to divide and simplify, you would have to flip this fraction here. So z squared divided by 18, you would flip that, and then you'd multiply. So it'd be 2z cubed divided by 3 times 18 divided by z squared. So you'd flip it and multiply. So that's the first thing you do. Same thing here. In order to do these questions, you got to flip the other fraction. So it would become 30 over z squared, and then multiply 3z cubed divided by 5. So you flip one of the fractions and then multiply. This one, you would just multiply them together and then cancel out the z's and just simplify the fraction. So it would be 4 times 20, which is 80. 80 divided by 5. And then do z cubed divided by z squared and cancel out z's. Here, multiply and simplify, just combine the tops and bottoms here because it's already multiplying. Cross out cross out x's, and then simplify, multiply 25 and 6, and then divide that by 5. Here, cross out the z's, multiply the tops. Here, use common denominators. So multiply the left bottom by the right top, multiply the right bottom by the left top, and then multiply the bottoms together here, and then you'll get what you have. So now, again, common denominators, make sure to use common denominators. So it's called the crisscross method. So you would do multiply this by this, this by this, this by this. And then you would just combine like terms on the top. Here, the common denominator is already there, so you just have to add the tops together. Here, common denominators are there on the bottom, so add the tops together. Here, make common denominator on the bottom, so I'd recommend you could do, so figure out how to get 5 to 10. What would you have to do to get 5 to 10? And whatever number you have to multiply by 5 to get 10, you multiply that by 3 as well, and you add the tops. So just common denominators again. Or you could do 5x times 9, 5x times 10x, 10x times 5x, 10x times 3, and then add the tops. Here, make the bottoms the same. So common denominators. So 21x times 15x squared, 21x times 4, 15x squared times 21x, 15x squared times 2, and then simplify. Here, 10x times 14x squared, 10x times 9x, 10x times 9, 14x squared times 3, then add them together. Here, 6x and x, fine, so you'd multiply. To make it common, you do you times this by 6, this by 6, and then add the tops. And then here, same denominators here, so add the tops. Here, 6x, just multiply this by 6, and then add the tops. Here, do 15x times 21x squared, 15x times 4, 21x squared times 2. And then add the tops. Here, 2x squared, 2x times 6, 2x to 6 times 4x, 2x to 6 times 4x minus 5, 4x times 2x minus 3, and combine the tops. Here, z squared and z, the only difference is z. So you multiply this by z, and then combine the tops. Here, z squared and z, the only difference is z. So you multiply this by z, and combine the tops. Here, you would combine the tops here, bottoms here, and then flip the top and bottom and multiply.